Well, I've got a replacement pulley. There's the part number. That's going to be installed just down there to replace that one that's delaminated. I think the first thing I'll do is jack it up, take the under tray off, drain the coolant, lift this out as an assembly, the fan and the radiator, so I can get a bit of access. There's not quite as much access in here as there is with the Subaru Impreza, it looks like, and get to it that way. Okay, radiator removed, the radiator is draining down there from the water pump. Crank pulley removed, that's pretty easy, all things considered. Just see if I can see the condition of the Cambelt. It looks pretty good. Can't see any major cracking there. So that's good. If we just go down here, let's have a look at the old crank pulley. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you see that? That's kind of separating there, look. Let's squeeze it back together. Yeah. So yeah, that rubber section in there on the crank pulley had failed. Not immediately obvious from the front. It's maybe a tiny bit of cracking, but yeah, nothing really obvious. So yeah, it's good I'm replacing this. Right, new crank pulley installed. I opted for the put it in 6th gear and then lock all the wheels to the ground to tighten it up with a 2-foot breaker bar. So a bit difficult, but looking good. Just got to reassemble it all now. Crank pulley replaced, new radiator in. We've got a new problem. I think that is a slightly leaking header tank. I've just been bleeding the system. I had to fit a new radiator because I broke this off. I'll show you actually. See there? I broke that nipple off. It's only very slight if it is.